Yeah, hi and welcome to this video. We're going to be talking about affiliate marketing with Twitter today and how you can basically set yourself up for success. So as you can see, I've come onto my Twitter account here and basically I want to go through a few things that you need to make sure you're in place and things you can do so that you can actually get a better success rate. So the first one is obviously create your account and obviously set your account up properly. So as you can see here, the first thing is a profile image. So many people just have the default image, or they have an image of their cat or their dog or anything like that. Affiliate marketing is all about getting people's trust so that they will buy from you. I know it's not your product, but you are trying to sell a product after all. To have a head and shoulders image of yourself is certainly going to work a hell of a lot better. Okay, so definitely a profile picture of yourself in there, and also your profile and your bio here. So you need to set up that, have some wording in there. Make sure that you put like relevant keywords in there that you want to be searched for and found. So if your niche is dogs and dog training, that sort of thing, then obviously have those particular keywords in that bio because people will search it and it will bring your account up from the Twitter search. So make sure you've got that, obviously keywords. You can use hashtags as well. They're always a good thing as well because people will search through hashtags. Okay, also make sure you've got a decent header here. Now, basically this, every time someone comes to your account, this is like an advertising billboard, basically. Every time it comes, it pops up in front of them. So if you can have something here rather than just a plain image, I like to have very simple sort of banner headers which state basically something and obviously give a call to action. So like today, start today, click the link in the bio. So it basically tells them if they want to start their affiliate business today, they've just got to click the link in the bio. So very, very easy, very simple to do. If you want to know how to create headers and things like that, then Canva is a very good place to start. Which is a totally free site, and I'll link to it in the description below here. Also, what to tweet. So once you've got your account set up, now what do you actually you need to tweet? Well, basically, you can have longer tweets on Twitter now, but I would still keep them fairly short. People still like short tweets. They will more likely click on those than they will do on the longer ones. So keep them between 80 to 100 characters. Also add in images are always a good thing, and obviously hashtags. Hashtags again work very well in your tweets, and keep those to sort of two or three per tweet. It's not like an Instagram where you can have like 30 different hashtags and get away with it. 2 to 3 is your maximum. We've got our account, we know what to tweet. Now the next thing is to build up a following. So you do need a following. If you've got nobody following you, then whatever you're tweeting out obviously isn't going to be seen. The way to do that is obviously look for influencers within your niche. So again, if you're in the dog training niche, then go and look for dog trainers or people that are in that niche that have got big followings. And then what you can do, you can then go and retweet their tweets, you can like their tweets, and you can also click on their followers and obviously like and retweet some of their stuff, and also you can follow them. So and that's always a good thing to do. Don't be afraid to follow people, because then a majority of people, as long as they're active on Twitter, then they will obviously follow you back. You're never going to have an account where you're only following a few hundred people and you've got thousands of followers yourself, not unless you are a pop star or something like that. So always go and follow other people. Don't be afraid to do that and build up your following. Okay, as you build up your following, create lists. Now you can create a list and you can do that up in this top corner here by dropping down that, and it says lists here, and then you can go and create lists. Okay, so that's very, very simple, very easy to do, and once you've done that, then you'll be able to find things much more easily. And obviously people that maybe are retweeting you or you're retweeting their stuff, so you can go and find it straight away, especially as you get more followers, because obviously your feed then is going to get full up with tweets. Creating affiliate links is the next thing. What you want to do when you're creating your affiliate links, as you probably know, if you've been doing affiliate marketing for a while, or even if you haven't, then basically your affiliate links are quite long and they're quite ugly. So I would then shorten the links, and with a link shortener, something like Bitly. And again, I'll link to Bitly in the description below here. So you can go straight there and set up an account. It's totally free. And then you can obviously create shorter links. And what this also enables you to do is you'll also get some reports of how many clicks you're getting on the links as well. So you'll know if people are actually clicking through onto your site and onto your actual affiliate links. So if you've got your affiliate links on Twitter, if you didn't want to create affiliate links directly on Twitter, Twitter is one of the places that social medias that will still allow direct links. But a good way of doing it is obviously setting up your own blog and then blogging out to various information, which will then drive people back to your website, where you can then have the affiliate link sitting on your blog. So you can basically do that, and you can create a free blog. If you go to someone like Wealthy Affiliate, the membership site there, which is totally free to join, and you can actually start creating your blog for free straight away. And they also give you loads of free training and even some tools to use as well, which is fantastic. So again, I'll link to Wealthy Affiliate below here in the description for you. What you now need to do is, once you've if you've started your blog and you've got your links, etc., is obviously traffic. Now a good way is to start building your own email list. And by doing this, you could use a software such as Aweber, which is very, very good. It's what I've been using for the last sort of 8 or 9 years. And you can then go and create some landing pages, squeeze pages, whatever you want to call them. Offer something, a free gift, a report, beginner's guide, or anything like that to get people on the list. And then again, you can then use that list to then email people, send them to your blog, send them to your affiliates links direct. It's what we call your own traffic then, and it's basically more targeted because they've already actually signed in for something that is very relevant to that particular niche. So if you wanted to create landing pages and things like that, you could use, if you're using WordPress, then I would certainly use something like Thrive Architect for building your landing pages and squeeze pages. Really, really easy to use. And you can have pages such as your landing pages, thank you pages, download pages, all in there together. And it's just a drag and drop system, which you can easily set them up very, very quickly. So again, I will link to this, to Thrive Architect, in the description below as well. So the last thing I want to mention is obviously tools. Then yes, you can use tools for your Twitter. If you want to schedule tweets out, yes, you may. There's nothing wrong with scheduling tweets. But what I would say is if you're going to use Twitter as well and you're serious about it, then you need to go on and obviously manually go on certainly parts of the day as well. But you can use tools, and I would recommend tools such as Buffer or Social Oomph, which I use both of those, and I would certainly recommend both of those. And again, I will link in the description below to both those tools where you can go and sign up for free and start using those. So that's it. That's what I would recommend if you're going to do affiliate marketing on Twitter. Follow these steps, and then you will be set up for success. Okay, that's it for this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye for now. Yeah, hey, it's Martin here again. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, then I want you to do 2 things right now. Number 1, subscribe to this channel. That way you can get even more videos as and when I release them. Number 2, please like, share and comment with any questions below this video. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care.